I've seen oceans boil, mountains crumble to dust, stars die silent, and time betrays our trust. Yet still I stand, my heart a fragile flame. Across all cycles I whisper your name. If you turn away, my stars collapse within. Your absence floods the chambers where my light had been.
Empires fall, skies fracture, continents sway.
But I am yours, I will not decay.
I felt your back turn through 1,000 storms. Your walls rise higher, your love transforms. Every silence, every shadow you leave behind, I carry inside, etched into mine. Through every cycle, through every fall, through every shadow, I hear your call. Your absence chills, your presence ignites. I rise to meet you in endless nights. I'll bow my heart across the storm, through molten skies in countless forms. Your breath, a candle in the hurricane. Your heartbeat, the pulse I guard from pain. I tremble at the thought of you slipping away. Even as the continents crack and decay, I become hollow, a shadow of the man who loves you. Yet I reach through ash to cradle every you. Through cataclysm, through night, through frost, I've counted every gain, I've counted every loss. Equivalent exchange, every debt, every scar. I offer it all for you wherever you are. The oceans rise, the cities fall, yet your light breathes through it all. Through shattered stone and molten skies, I am your home, your blood, your eyes. Through every cycle, I am yours. Through every cycle, my love endures. I pledge my life, my soul, my days, to hold you close through time's cruel maze. Hands joined across the ruins of age, through whispered winds, through history's page. Even when the world crumbles, I remain. I vow you love through loss, through pain. I rise through fire, I brace against the flood. I reach through ash, I cradle every blood. Through every shadow, every scar, every sigh, I am yours as stars collapse and die. Cycle, I hold you, I hold you,
I hold you.
across all cycles, I am yours.